I'm gonna give it to you straight. Alt season, not alt season. What should you expect in the next 3 to 4 weeks, maybe a month or two? Looking at the history of Bitcoin dominance, we have not been here too many times. We've either rejected around this area, or obviously it has gone a little bit higher. But what about where do we stand? Bitcoin dominance on the 3-day chart is gonna give us a little bit of a hint. You can see right here that the stochastic RSI is getting a bit oversold. It could still extend another week or two. Sorry, I said oversold, overbought. Kind of like when you saw overbought over here. Did get a pullback on that dominance, but then it kept shooting up, and that's what could happen here too. That's the issue. I do think there's probably going to be 3 to 4 weeks, in about 3 to 4 weeks, a pretty decent maybe, oh shit, our altcoins back season type of situation. Generally, when you get overbought, it will come back down a little bit. It may not crash, but it should have a little bit of a pullback like it did last time. The only difference right now is the weekly is starting to get a little overbought. Now, keep this in mind. Stochastic RSIs can remain overbought or oversold for up to 8 candles, and this is about candle 3 or 4. Could be another 3 or 4 weeks before we actually see a movement positively for the altcoins, which is once again what happened last time when we were overbought on the weekly. We had that big drop. Will we get the big drop again? To be determined, because now it's even more powerful than it was last time. We could go to 60% dominance and still be giga bullish on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin taking money away from the ecosystem. So do keep that in mind. If you look at this overall chart or this overall chart, what I want to see in one day, I want to see the percentage up there go down by 3 points minimum, 2.5 points. So right now, if in one day we were to go from 65 to 62.5, I'd be like, hold up, maybe something's coming. Until we see that, it's going to be the eternal chop for the altcoins, money flowing into Bitcoin. And like I said in my previous videos, I think there's a good chance for DeFi summer. I think there's a pretty good chance that the ETF spot approval for staking is approved for Ethereum, which could easily rocket off a little bit of that Bitcoin dominance down. I do think at worst case, from here, altcoins see another minus 30%, and in a super weird case, minus 50%, which from a spot investing standpoint, it's not that bad. If it goes down 30 and goes up 300, you don't give a fuck, do you? In my second part of this video, you'll see a lot of shitfluencers talking about Bitcoin dominance is about to drop, Bitcoin dominance. A lot of them are saying this right now, and this is what I've noticed in this ecosystem. And a lot of them start saying the same shit and the technicals start lining up. They are usually right for a little bit because they need to gain followers. They need to get people who are just perma bulls like themselves who can't think, to make them think, oh my God, this guy's right. This guy fucking called it. This guy's a legend. When in reality, they've been saying it for the past 7 months, hoping that one day it sticks. Unlike me, who tries to time the market. Has to get the best bang for your dollar, because that's what we do at Naked Nation, for free. Outside of some weird war starting around the world and Trump maybe doing some other crazy shit, seems like the relief rally is on the way somewhere. At least for our altcoins that we so much love. Until next time, Naked Nation, take care, brush your hair, scrub your scalp. I'm out.